On this video we're going to explain how does this parking lot is working. It was an integrative project that includes the subjects of mechanical system, digital electronics, and PLC. The parking lot is mainly made for 2 floors with 5 available spaces in each floor. It also comes with an elevator and obviously the entrance and the exit. It also has a display that shows the available spaces in the first and the second floor. It comes also with an elevator that connects the first floor with the second floor. The entrance is made by 2 infrared sensors and 1 servo motor. When the first sensor detects a card, it sends a signal that is rated for an Arduino, and then the first lever is open. Once that the lever is open, we are waiting for a negative signal of the sensor 2. Once that the sensor 2 doesn't detect a card, the needle is going to be closed. The elevator is working with Arduino and a connection to a PLC. The PLC received a signal from the 2 buttons that we have, or yellow buttons. When we press a yellow button, the elevator is going to go up to the second floor. If we press the green button, the elevator is gonna go down. As we can see, the elevator is moved by a stepper motor. This stepper motor is controlled by a special driver, and the driver also is controlled for Arduino. The Arduino receives the signal from the PLC, and to stop the motion of the elevator we have to limit switch that detects when the elevator is on the first floor and when he is on the second floor. When this limit switch is pressed, the elevator stops motion. It also has a display that shows the available spaces in each floor. As we can see in the video, the display is showing that there are 2 available spaces and 0 available spaces. This number is going to change if we move a car or if we put a car into available spaces. Another important thing here are the lights. The lights are automatically. It works with a sensor that detects change on the temperature. When we introduce the hand or something else, it sensor change his states. It is also connected to a relay that changes the output of the sensor that is 5 volts to a signal of 12 volts to make the lights work. This relay is also pretty useful to connect the signals from Arduino or the sensors to the PLC, because the sensors are working with 5 volts and the PLC only receives signals from 24 volts. Here we can see the connection between the PLC and the parking lot. We made a kind of panel, and into that we have the Arduino that controls the displays and the sensors. The Arduino received the signal from the sensor. I changed it into a binary signal to show it in the displays. Here we can see the 2 limit switches that we have talked about. It are the green ones and the stepper motor. The stepper motor. This project helps us to understand how does digital electronics, mechanical systems, and PLC works, and we also have to solve all the problems that we were finding, like the noise in the outputs, and we learned that we have to connect all the grounds to avoid that noises, and also the use of resistance to clear the output signal.